Hi guys, I hope everyone is doing good. I haven't posted up about my trading session the past few days because I've been quite busy and all that. So yeah, let's talk about how my trading sessions have been yesterday and today, right? So let me swap my screen real quick. All right guys, check this out. Let's filter by date. Okay, so custom period. So this is basically 18th, which was yesterday, right? So yesterday alone I made about 644 USD on this particular account, right? As you can see, just a little bit of loss, and the wins are more than the losses, right? So I ended up with 644 USD. So now let's check today out. So today is 19th and I have to filter by dates, right? Let me do this. So I'll go to 19th like this. Okay. Actually, all right, so this is 19th of August, which is today, right? So earlier this morning I took a loss on GBP CHF, and I lost about 464 USD. As you can see, it was a loss for me on that particular trade. But guess what? I wasn't down about the loss because I know it's just chicken change. It's just 464 USD that I could make back easily. Guess what? I made it back, and let me go back. Let me just say all symbols now. So yeah guys, check this out. So check how I recovered the loss back on these accounts, right? So let me filter by AUD NZD. I don't know, for some reason AUD NZD. Let me do this. So AUD NZD right there. All right guys, check this out. So I recouped 311 USD from this AUD NZD. Loss made back, and I still have some trades still running, which is gonna cover for all the losses and make eventually. Yeah, why am I doing a video talking about my wins and losses, right? Because I'm a very transparent trader, right? I like to showcase the true picture of trading, right? So yeah guys, that's the reality that comes with trading, right? You don't expect every single trade you go into to go into profit, or go the way you plan it, or go the way you want it, right? I always say this because you are not the one moving the market, right? So you have to have that in mind. No matter how good you are, right, you have to be ready for losses. That's the truth. For me now, I'm a professional. I rarely take losses. I'm very consistent. My win rate is like from 85% to 95%. That's how strong my win rate is, right? But I do take a few losses here and there. Like today now, I took one loss on GBP CHF, and I made it right back, right? So that's the reality that comes with trading. You have to be ready for losses as a trader. Don't say because you're very good, and you are not gonna take a loss. That's a lie. Nobody is 100% in Forex. That's the truth. It's just that you can be smart, that your wins are going to outweigh your losses, and that's what's gonna keep you in the game for the long term, right? The goal is to be in the game for the long term. The goal is to be profitable for the long term, not for the short term. So think about it that, okay, in 5 years time you're still making Forex money, you're still making Forex profit. That's because of your consistency, nothing else, right? But when you have a totally wrong mindset that you don't want to take loss, and you would not be consistent. That's it. You just have to be ready for losses at any point in time. You take the loss and you move on, right? I see some traders, some of my students that I've taught in the past, they take just one loss, and guess what? They say, I'm not doing again. This thing has taken my money, and they start crying all about, emotions all over the place, right? So yeah, that's the reality that comes with trading. You just have to take the loss and move on. You start thinking of how you're going to, recoup your profit back from the market, right? You don't allow your mindset to be down. You don't allow your emotions to be all over the place because you took one loss. No, nobody is 100% in Forex. That's the truth. You take a few losses and your wins outweigh your losses. That's just what you should be. That should be your goal. That's what you should be targeting, right? I still ended up the week with profit. Not bad. It's just market profit. So I hope everyone have a blessed weekend, and peace.